When reliability, control, and performance matter most, MER equipment delivers. Introducing the Tango Easy Sync. Tango is generator paralleling made easy. Traditional systems require complex infrastructure built into the main switchboard. Tango simplifies this by moving the controls and breakers directly to the generators, reducing space, cost, and installation time, while making power management faster and more reliable. Designed and built by MER equipment, the Tango Easy Sync uses US-made components to create a rugged, low-maintenance solution for maritime power management. Paralleling generators means your vessel never skips a beat. Seamless, live load transfers keep lights on, pumps running, and critical systems powered even during a generator switch or shore power transition. With synchronized load sharing, you can reduce generator size, optimize fuel efficiency, and cut maintenance costs while staying on course with automatic backup if the primary generator fails. Tango Easy Sync. Built smart, built strong, built by MER equipment.